Okay, we got a plumbing operation shutting down, trying to liquidate everything. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through, just let you know what kind of inventory we have.
These are all B bottles.
What are these, Dave?
Those are all acetylene bottles.
Acetylene bottles?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then nuts and bolts for flange kits.
Okay.
A few pumps. There's a unit for pulling refrigeration.
Okay.
It's all boiler. Transformers, pumps, nozzles, boiler controls.
Some Taco control units, is that what those are?
Yep. Beckett burners. These are all just boiler parts. Lots of boiler parts.
Thermal wells, all sorts of stuff. Okay.
Gas valves. Blowers for motor or for boilers. Thermocouples.
Yeah.
These are all relays. Water heater parts. Well controls. Right there.
Okay. Those are for the
Those are just transfer pumps. Right there for glycol.
okay, circulate and domestic.
Yep. There's 3 or 4 of those rigid 300 pipe machines. Pipe stands. This is all fuel related for gas stations.
For service and more of the,
We're building gas stations.
okay,
Environ unit.
okay,
This wedge is pipe. This is HDPE couplings. This is a welder for HDPE.
it's a welder for HDPE.
Yeah.
Okay,
Basically, you plug this into plug it into a power source and it welds these couplings right here on the pipe.
okay.
Pipe stands.
What's a unit like that cost, Dave?
I don't know anymore. I can look at. I think I might be able to look at. Well, I can look it up. But it's probably around 8,000.
$8,000. Okay. All right.
Pipe stands.
Yeah, we got lots of pipe stands.
That's just a kit of bolts, different bolts, butterfly valves. That's all for big boilers.
Okay, so it looks like you did a lot of commercial stuff as well as residential.
A lot of commercial, a lot of industrial.
Okay.
Balancing valves, all flex connectors.
Yep.
These are all pipe thawing machines down here and the cables.
Okay, so for like frozen pipes and whatnot,
Yep.
with all those units down there.
Water meters,
Yeah.
pressure relief valves, lots of thermometers.
Yeah.
Simmons mixing valves.
That's what's in here is these,
Yep.
you got a lot of these thermal well type things. Okay. Some up your stack.
Fan blower motors for unit heaters. Got a couple of the 60-pound electric hammers.
Okay.
I've got quite a few pneumatic air-operated hammers. Core drill. We've got bits from 1 inch up through, I think, 8 inch up on top.
Yep.
These are for cutting all thread.
Okay.
Snap cutters, ratchet snaps, cast iron, pipe wrenches. More rigid, foot pedals, and just miscellaneous. Those are all hand thread dies there. I've got a 700 on the other side for a little power unit.
Got some plugs there, inflatable plugs.
This is electrical gauges for the industrial.
Right.
We did a lot of work out at Agrium, different places.
Yep.
These are all labels for any type of commercial work.
Yep.
Did a lot of steam systems in the past. This is just miscellaneous air chambers, trap primers, low water cutoffs, flow switches. These are all gauges up here with snubber valves.
Okay.
All of this stuff over here is trim.
Okay, so this is more residential, right?
Yep. And commercial.
Okay.
Did a lot of service work in the last 38 years. These are staples for the PEX tubing.
Okay.
Up on top's all the hangers, two-hold hangers, two-hold straps, baling wire, pretty well laid out.
Okay.
Got a lot of expando. This is all stuff for gas pipe
Okay.
or large steel pipe.
Yeah.
This stuff here is all PVC, no hub couplings, caps, test caps.
Everything's labeled pretty much, huh? Everything is
Pretty
nice.
much. It's a little disorganized, but you get the general drift. These are all gaskets for the different boilers and water systems
Okay.
that we've installed. On this side over here is all the hangers. There's for copper, unistrut
Gotcha.
clamps, copper hangers,
Right.
beam clamps, spring nuts, clicks up on top.
All right.
This is all just copper and brass. There's lots and lots of different valves. These are all Firomatic valves.
What are those called, Dave?
Firomatic,
Firomatic.
yeah, they're for oil systems.
Okay.
Emergency shutoffs for any time we went out in the bush and did the boilers out there. They're all oil fired.
Okay.
So, this is all copper, small copper, from a 1/2 inch up through 2 inch. Down here, there's a just an array of plumbing systems that have been installed. So
Yeah.
basically, everything when I purchase stuff, I purchase it by box or case quantity. These are all brass for underground water,
Okay.
flared unions. These are all check valves down here.
Okay.
These are all float valves. They're $900.
Jeez.
Typically what they go for. Those are
Okay.
all commercial or industrial.
Right.
Three-way valves, different types of nipples, different types of brass fittings. This is how I bought copper, just case quantity.
Gotcha.
This is all 2-inch, 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch copper.
Copper. Okay.
A couple balancing valves up on top.
All right.
These are Euro Clean and Bio HEPA vacuums for cleaning boilers and furnaces.
Okay.
Sammy screws for attaching hangers, metal buildings, wood buildings.
Right.
I've got buckets of hydraulic flange bolts for different systems. On this side over here is all black iron, nipple trays, fittings. It's all threaded.
Right. What schedule is this mostly?
It's all Schedule 40.
Schedule 40.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some Schedule 80 mixed in, but those are in most of the Schedule 80s in the 40-foot vans at the ranch.
Gotcha.
Got a couple of racks outside of ABS fittings. These were just off of projects that guys worked on and
Right.
didn't put
The
them back.
stragglers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the stuff over here is the HVAC side of it. This is the stuff that was most commonly used,
Right.
and so we just kept
Wish
it
I
in the
could
shop here.
zoom out on this a little bit. Lots of HVAC stuff.
What's that?
Lots of it, huh?
Yeah. There's two 40-foot vans at the ranch full of sheet metal too.
Okay.
Hanging out there for
No. Okay, this is up on the mezzanine. So we got some baseboard. Maybe 50 feet. Some heaters up here. The unit heaters. These are all the boxes for your tools, is that right, Dave?
Yeah.
Okay. This is just storage for all the tool boxes that we got, gang boxes and whatnot. More unit. Air mover. Okay, lots of tools to show you guys also.
These are all T60. This one's a 60, just a little smaller. Two of the T60s.
Okay.
Concrete hammer drills.
What do we got over here?
Laser levels,
Okay.
quarter bands, whole hogs, grinders. It's a rigid 700. This is a duct lift for the sheet metal. Another hammer drill there, and this is a hammer drill here. It's just a box with bits in it for a hammer drill.
Okay.
Let's see. These are stout, battery operated sawzalls, crawl space work. These up here are called prep stars. That's for processing copper, for cutting nipples.
Okay.
It punches them out pretty fast. Reams them, cleans them.
We got shop back down here, looks like, and a plasma cutter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Air operated saw. It hasn't. We haven't used it for years.
Pneumatic operated?
Yeah.
Which one?
Air operated for the oil
Okay.
fields.
Okay, gotcha.
Little hand planer. Grinders, whole hogs. These are half mag drills here. More sawzalls. Got lots of bits.
Grinders.
These are all self-feed bits.
Okay.
1 3/8 through 4 inch. This is a tool for sharpening the bits.
Okay.
Couple of sanders. Tubing benders. A few bolt bends.
Yeah.
That rigid 1224 is up to 4-inch pipe.
Up to 4 inch, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a dandy machine there.
Porta cable. That's a 5-horse air compressor
Yep.
and a couple of end blows. This is all no, it's not all of it, but there's a bunch of PEX fittings here, brass and plastic.
Okay. That's for pecs.
Oh, and this is a reel here for the wood flow. We're installing rated heat and
Okay. We're doing long
under-
pulls.
Just put the reel on there and reel it out.
Pull her out where you need it, huh?
Yeah.
This van's going with the operation as well.
What's that?
This van's going too.
Yeah.
This and a couple other ones, right, Dave? You got
Yeah.
3 vans, you said?
Yeah, 2 of them are in fairly decent shape, but they need work.
Okay.
Not engine work or anything, it's just cosmetic.
Just cosmetic work. Be good for anybody wanting a turnkey operation.
We go upstairs, look at this stuff, and then we go to sheet metal in. These are the buckets for the skid steer.
Okay.
Snow bucket.
Yeah. It's another van.
That's just a compactor for air operated compactor. These are the core drill bits,
Okay.
blowers, pumps, heaters. You walk behind concrete saw. A lot of these tools I had in the rental company when we had that.
Okay.
This is duct cleaning equipment. Pressure washer.
Yeah.
Some unit heaters, electric heaters. A lot of this stuff up here, Michael, is just suction hose and there's some discharge hose.
Okay. There's some 2H cam lock. Fire hose suction.
That's this right here. It's a heat blanket for thawing ground.
Okay. Like a little ground thaw unit?
Yep.
All right.
Up on top, over here, I don't know if you can see that, but up on top there's just furnaces. They were, a lot of times we had to, when we pull the heating system out, we would put in a forced air furnace, just temporary heat.
Gotcha. What do we got in here, Dave?
It's a sheet metal shop.
Okay.
So we did most of our PVC fabrication.
Okay.
Couple of brakes, 8-foot brake and a 4-foot brake, fender brake, and then a shear, small shear, lock formers, different spot welders.
Let's see some of these spot welders. We got.
That's one right there,
Okay.
blue one, and then there's this Durden over here. That's a spot welder
Okay.
underneath the shelf there.
All right. Lots of inventory on sheet metal.
Yeah, 2 40-foot downloads at the ranch still.
Okay.
There's an old boiler and a brand new water heater.
All right. Good Lord. A lot of sheet metal in here.
Up on top, up there's basically all the insulation for ductwork, pins,
Okay.
and there's all kinds of stuff. Those are all nozzles for oil fired. That's probably about half, maybe a third of what we have.
Okay.
Nozzles. Got it in here, huh?
Yeah, I think so. I think we got most of it covered. Yeah, anybody interested in coming and taking a look at it? Get a hold of Dave here.
Some more-
We'll go ahead
more
and
of
post the,
Whole hogs
okay.
and porta bands.
Yep.
We've got little porta bands, and I think there's 3 or 4 of these larger porta bands. Back there.
This is the actual shop. That is also for sale, depending on how this thing is sold, as is, parted out, or whatnot. It's pretty large. How big is the shop, Dave? As far as square footage, you know? 60 by 80? Looks like about a 30 by 30.
ABS fittings there.
All line at the back of the shop. Okay.
Inch and a half ABS pipe.
1.5 inch, like some 4-inch, some 3-inch.
Cast iron fittings there. Stuff over here might be right. Spiral duct.
Okay. Then is this?
Box of 6-inch ABS over there.
6-inch. What do we got out here, Dave?
What's that?
Is this just scrap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rack test kit. It's for emissions, boilers.
Awesome. There's a few more concrete bits, air hammer bits. Quite a few. This is at a different shop. This shop, most of the inventory here is not for sale, but these are. As well as some toboggan pack sleds for working in crawl spaces, things of that nature. Heavy duty. These aren't just normal sleds. They do help you access, get your tools into the right location. This large Greenlee gang box is also going with the business. It's probably 3 or 4 more outside as well. Big gang box. I get a better shot here. Extra large. Got these other 4 gang boxes sitting here. Got 2 back there. That's toolboxes on the big casters. Got box and gang box. Got a couple welders down here. Hobart, some Lincolns, then it looks like an ASAB plas cutter.
Yeah.
Those are also for sale.
Miller-Matic.
And also this Miller-Matic. Okay. So those 5 units. Also these cutoff saws here. Partner brand cutoff saws. 3 of them, gas powered. That one looks darn near brand new. They both look brand new.
Hardly at all.
Barely used, just dusty. Another big gang box. It's going with the inventory.
It's 10-inch industrial platinum Delta.
Table saw.
Yeah.
All packaged up. That's going right, Dave?
That's going away.
Okay. Okay, what do we got here? Got a bunch of weld fittings, socket fittings, stainless steel ball valves, flanges. So this is all weld fittings, right?
A lot of it. There's cast iron floor drains, clean outs, ABS fittings down on the bottom.
Yep.
Over here, there's flanged, 3-inch flanges, 2-inch, 4-inch brass.
Okay.
And this is all ABS, 6-inch ABS and 4-inch ABS. Here's a box of acid waste fittings,
Okay.
and then just miscellaneous crap. It's not worth anything.
Okay.
Okay, let's go on to the next one.
We got a bunch of strut over here too.
There's
On these
strut,
racks.
steel pipe,
Okay.
all kinds of flashing. Now let's get this one here. This side here. Okay, this is all thread, DWV copper, black iron, a bunch of type M, there's some type L.
Okay.
On this side over here is all kinds of air fittings, crow's feet, nipples, all different kinds of nipples, all different kinds of black iron fittings. There's Schedule 40, Schedule 80,
Okay.
thread, black iron bushings, there's Schedule 80 unions.
Mm-hmm. More hangers down there.
Oh, there's
Fasteners. Pretty much anything anybody would need to be a
galvanized nipples. These are all black iron nipples.
galvy.
2.5, 3-inch, 4-inch black iron. Galvanized black iron. And on this side over here is brass, DWV. More weld fittings up on top.
Mm-hmm. It's like a 6-inch.
All kinds of flanges. Lots of brass, lots of DWV. Okay, and then there's more cases of ABS fittings, 4-inch Ys combos,
Yep.
PVC fittings, more nipples. I need some of these for the shop. I'll take those right now.
What do we got here, Dave?
This is a. You can grab that. Power flame oil transfer pump. Fuel oil transfer pump.
Fuel oil transfer pump.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these are boilers, water heaters. Brand new.
Okay.
And then there's furnaces, 3 furnaces.
All McLean.
The Dare splitter in the back.
Yeah. Okay, you're 2 blocked.
There you go. So I want to sell the connexes, everything in them.
Okay.
These are the 40-foot van. that one closed. You don't need it.
Okay.
These are all hangers.
Okay. Those are big pipe hangers. Okay.
Everything. New ones, old ones. There's butterfly valves, rollers, all kinds of stuff for commercial baseboard radiation. Up here's all no hub couplings, more big hangers. All different kinds of no hubs.
Okay. Bolts.
Take these with us. Since I'm organizing the shop.
Yeah, those are handy.
Yeah.
What are those, Dave?
It's all fuel.
All fuel?
Yeah. Asbestos.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so this is just gas bin up on top.
Yeah.
These are all drains, commercial drains, all different kinds of floor sinks, carriers, roof drains. These are lab supports, commercial lab supports.
Okay.
This side over here is more ductwork. Donald Miller low water cutoffs, more ductwork up on top, water meters, all kinds of vibration isolators for different equipment.
Okay, what's up top there?
Those are just duct.
Okay, for like louvers and whatnot.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Filters.
This stuff all in here is, there's everything. Insulation, all kinds of insulfoam insulation,
Yeah.
Rubitex. More all fuel up there on the top. 8-inch T's. You get the idea.
Yeah.
Okay, this van here's got fixtures. They're all commercial fixtures.
Okay.
Floor sinks, stainless sinks, flush valve, tempering valves, all kinds of China labs. There's a whole stack of baseboard, commercial baseboard. Chicago faucets. They're all brand new.
Yeah.
Stainless sinks, box escutcheons. This is an exhaust system for vehicles.
So you can operate a vehicle in a shop or something?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay. What we got down here?
That's right there is all drill steel for rotary drills
Okay.
for Ingersoll Rand,
Mm-hmm.
shovels and louvers.
All right. Brand new stainless steel sink.
40 years of commercial work. That's what you end up with. Okay, this is the cast iron van.
This is all cast. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Come on back.
Cast iron fittings.
Yeah. 4-inch quarter bends, long sleeves, 2-inch long-term quarter bends. 6-inch cast, 4-inch cast. There's just
Mountains of it.
mountains of it. That's right.
Okay. You got a good idea what's
A lot
in
of
this
Husky
one.
couplings in here.
Yeah.
These are the couplings I was talking about. MG
Right.
couplings.
Right. Can't get them on a Y.
You can't get them on a Y.
Hey, what's in this one, Dave?
There's unit heaters, water heaters, sinks, and scaffolding. It looks like not much of the scaffolding is going to be left. But I've got a bunch of it loaned out right now to people.
And it's all coming with the deal too. This is all going. Okay.
Handrails, guardrails, branding planks.
Yep.
These are masonry for masonry.
All right. Okay, this Connex looks like it's full of sheet metal and ducting work.
Right.
These are all, how deep are these trailers,
40
Dave?
footers.
40 footers?
Yeah.
Okay. Everything in here is going. Someone.
And insulation. Going up.
Got doors.
Huh?
Got doors in there?
These are all just shower walls,
Okay.
but there's a bunch of spiral duct up front. Lots of duct insulation.
Okay.
Lots of pipe insulation.
See that.
All these vans have a set of stairs.
Mm-hmm.
Most of them have a set of stairs with them. Yeah, this all came out of a motel.
Gotcha.
The doors and stuff.
Yeah.
A long time ago. With the cabinets. That's it. This one here is the junk van, but it's got, there's rolls of copper and PEX, all kinds of PEX.
Yeah.
It's mainly just miscellaneous
Got
stuff.
some more
There's-
insulation coverings in there.
There's boxes of test weenies for testing pipes.